Yeah, yeah. Can we have the light? Can we have the lights a little bit so I can have a look at the crowd? Ah, hello. Wow. This is crazy. Hey, dude with the yellow jumper on, I can see it. That's cool that you're doing that over there. That's really good. So am I right in saying that we're a little bit near Essex here? Yeah. So do you all say shut up? Shut up? No, sorry, that's a generalisation, I'm sorry. I didn't mean that. I shouldn't really speak because I'm bad at it. This next song is about drugs. It's not really, I'm kidding. Or is it? Alright, let's go some more clouds. Put the lights back down. You're very beautiful, all of you. I love you more. Hey, 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 hey. I look no farther than the farthest you go, farther than you should, to the point where we're surrounded by the skies behind that hood.